In this video, you'll find out how to descale your WMF1100s properly. To start descaling, call up the descaling program from the Customer Care menu and press Yes. Remove the drip tray and empty it thoroughly. Then put the drip tray back in place. If the machine is not connected to the wastewater tank, position an empty container with a capacity of at least 3 litres beneath the coffee spout. Then remove the click and clean adapter from the milk container and plug it directly onto the hot water spout. The machine will independently carry out automatic rinsing. In the process, hot water will flow out of the spouts. If present, remove the installed water filter and filter adapter from the water tank. Now fill the empty water tank with 750 millilitres of water and 2 bottles of WMF liquid descaling agent. Place the water tank back in your WMF1100s. Position the emptied container with a capacity of at least 3 litres back under the coffee spout. Confirm this step on the display. Descaling will now take place. The machine may perform several rinsing processes during descaling. Follow the instructions on the display. After descaling, remove the water tank and rinse thoroughly. Put the removed water filter and adapter back in the tank. If appropriate, you can now refill the water tank and place it in the machine. Your WMF1100s is now descaled and ready for use.